Hi everyone, how is your journey going on? I hope everything is smooth with you. It's great to see you all again in this video. The topic of this week's figurine is one of my fondest childhood memories, Pokémon. Angelos was the main character in the first Pokémon game I ever played. Since I was little, I loved keeping and playing with pets, but my family's circumstances didn't always allow it. So it was wonderful to get to know a game where I could catch my favorite creatures, train them, and accompany them on the game journeys. With the curiosity of the teenagers, what could be better than conquering missions with my favorite companions, becoming a best trainer, and even protecting the world from a villainous gang? Pokemon, or game for that matter, are some of the most precious experiences I've had in my life. Each game offers a different perspective, a different viewpoint on life, cleverly conveyed through its story, where I truly immerse myself in living and accompanying the characters. One of my childhood dreams was to bring my favorite game characters to life, and coincidentally, the path I've chosen now allows me to realize that childhood dream. Furthermore, through my own creativity, I've been able to create a version of my favorite characters that's truly personal and reflects my feelings. Could this be a sign that I'm still on the right track? It's quite interesting to encounter small signs that indicate you are on the right path throughout the journey. Though small, they are truly source of motivation that fuel me to keep moving forward. Besides, I'm selling my own design t-shirts. If you are interested or want to support me, you can visit my store via the link in the description. Now, let's enjoy this week's video. Thank you for coming to my video. See ya in the next ones.